Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automate file backups on SiteGround. I just tap on my Safari browser. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me, and after logging your account, and how to access my backup tool. To access the backup tool, go to your website site, tools, security, backups, and after inside you will see that this page you will see. And to create a new backup, simply fill in the name for your backup in the backup name field under the create restore section. Just tap on a create button after filling and click create, and your website backup will be ready in a few minutes. And after a few minutes, the backup will include all your website files, databases, emails, and even tagging copies. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.